Hello and welcome to Sugar Skull Face Paint Makeup Tutorial. And for this entire look, my inspiration is this Sugar Skull tin container which opened up and had a cookie inside. This was a gift from my mother to me for Halloween. So this was my inspiration. So I decided to take this and to draw my art piece reference look for my makeup tutorial. These two looks are the same except this very final last step. I will be adding some paper twirls or spirals to my eyes, the very last step. The first step I would do is take a latex wig and to block out my hair. But I have painted the latex wig silver. I will be applying the liquid latex to the parameters of the latex wig, and I will use Q-tips or a paintbrush as an applicator. Once you use a paintbrush with liquid latex, the glue never comes off, but you can still use the paintbrush as an applicator. So if you decide that you don't want to ruin your brushes, use Q-tips. The next step I will be doing, I will use makeup, which is a foundation stick, to completely block out my eyebrows because there are no eyebrows on this look. I will be using a lot of face paint. The primary colors are yellow and orange. So I'll be using some yellow on the perimeter of the face, and it goes down the neck, and then it blends or ombres or fades into orange on the neck and on the center of the face. I will be using red on the nose and on the petals around the eyes and the petals of the forehead. And then on the petals around the eyes here are very small, but they are different colors all the way around the eyes. They're blue, they're green, and they're pink, and then they're kind of mixed and blended with these three colors. And then the last color I will be using is white to paint the Sugar Skull teeth for this look. Now I will be using some makeup pencils to draw these very fine lines from the mouth going up into the cheeks. So I have two colors which I will be using, pink and purple makeup pencils. So just in case I can't get my hand sturdy enough to draw with the paintbrush or paint, I will be using these. Also, on the forehead, I will glue a red and a green dot. Now this look will not be complete unless I add a little bit of glitter. So I have some liquid glitter in pink and I have a lot of glitter here. I have some light pink and some orange and gold and blue and green and red. So I'll be adding some glitter on the petals and on the cheeks, all over the face. And then the very last thing I would do, I'm going to take this gold metal flake makeup. It's kind of metallic. And I will add on the cheeks to give it some gold metal flake. Look, this was a gift from my friend Tammy, so thank you very much for this. I'm going to be using it this time. And last, I will be adding some silver metallic spirals, which I cut to the side of my face where the ears go on each side, and then I've got a spiral kind of pulled apart and going across the forehead. And last, I made this headpiece out of paper, wires, and a headband. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, so what I did, I took a regular headband here and I spray painted it silver because the latex wig is silver. So I went ahead and painted the headband silver, and then I also painted the wires that go completely out here because these move and bend. I can shape it however I want to. Then last, I took a bunch of paper and glued them onto the wires on both sides. But I did color the paper with the pencil, so that's how I got these colors. And then very last step is I took a bunch of paper and made these spirals and then taped them all over the headpiece. Now, let's begin this sugar skull face paint makeup tutorial.
Sugar Skull Face Paint Makeup Tutorial. Take 1.
The next step I'm going to do is map out all the details on my face using a white eyeliner pencil and a stencil.
This completes the application of my face painting makeup tutorial. It's now time to compare my face to my art drawing. It's now time for me to get into full costume and show you my complete and finished look. And cheers to my fierce Sugar Skull face paint makeup tutorial. Drink up. I do hope you enjoyed my fierce Sugar Skull face paint makeup tutorial. And check out all my other makeup tutorials on my channel. All these here right behind me. Click that little bell icon to receive a notification of my next makeup tutorial. And as always, I do hope you enjoyed my makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching.